Okay, hey everybody. Today I'm going to show you my Pinterest boards for the shabby chic, for the house remodel, the redo. So I had started collecting all these Pinterest images, which are really good, but then I had to start breaking it down. So I broke it down to, oh yeah, because Pinterest has this really cool thing that you can organize all your pins. So I got chairs and soft furniture, fabric furniture, because there was a lot of that left over in the house that needed like a little upgrade, updo. And the bathrooms, the sunroom, the dining room. Oh my god, there's so many closet doors, and there are those bifold doors that I couldn't figure out what to do with. And we were going to take them out, but then I found some really great ideas, and I'm itching to go try that today. The patio rooms. Oh, the light switches, because I messed up so many of them painting. So came up with some great ideas. Although the obvious is like take the light switches off before you paint. That dormer room, which is giving me, oh god, a major headache. Pantry room ideas, because we do have a pantry room. The bedroom ideas. Then I made a board for just some general cute decorating ideas, things to do for later. Um, Wall stencils, floor stencils, lots of good things I can do with that. Curtain ideas, or I probably should have put like window dressing. Okay. And of course, because I've got so much stuff left over, I started collecting garage sale ideas. Then we got laundry room, kitchen, the deck and patio area. Deck patio ideas, because I had a bunch of pallets left over from another project that I started but didn't finish. So I brought those to the new rental house. So we're gonna make a nice outdoor deck for the students. Um, Living room ideas, because the living room is like really nice. So, and actually, I know you can't quite see, but I went with this yellow for the living room. But you actually see that in another video. Then floors, stairs, and more wall ideas, and of course, painted furniture ideas. Um, Let me give you an idea. Okay, let's look at closet doors. So if I go to the closet door one, it's like really cool because there's all these great ways, things I can do with all the closets. And sometimes I just post stuff because I like the color, or I think it'll be a really good idea. And like I love that mint green, like a little pop of color. Oh my god, I love these. These would be so pretty. But I want to get away from the folding door. And let's see, this bifold into French doors. That's a really good idea. How to update bifold doors. Update. So there's a lot of cool colors, a lot of cool ideas. So I'm glad you guys are joining me on this journey, and I do hope you will follow me on Pinterest. And it's just pinterest.com/sugarplumdolls. And then you can find the board that says Taylor Cottage Shabby Chic. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at my Pinterest boards. I hope you'll help me make some decisions with all these millions of decisions that I gotta do. Like, that's the bathroom. Oh, yeah, and I do have to get to work on filling up putting in images of actual stuff that we have remodeled and fixed. So, thanks for watching, and sorry I sound like so crazy, but I can't wait till I get over this cold. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.